What's going on, Griddle Nation? Welcome to CJ's first cooking show on the road in a van.
On the road again.
Down by the river.
And living in a van down by the river.
We are on our way to St. Pete. St. Pete area. We're going to do some fishing because I love fish.
Wait, you'll catch the fish, but
Yes.
you won't eat the fish.
I actually really enjoy fishing. I don't like eating fish. But maybe my mind will be changed today. We're with my buddy Travis,
Yeah,
who,
he's
number
a stud.
one,
He's
he's a
awesome.
fireman. Number two, he's my boy, and he's gonna take us out and kind of show us the ropes out in the ocean. We're gonna go out to an island, do some cooking,
Yeah, we're looking for snapper and grouper specifically. So
and maybe a shark. So we're gonna get out, get all of our gear, get going, and
we're here.
we're there! We're there!
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
All right, boys. So we are actually about to unload out of the Blackstone Griddle tour van and load it onto the boat. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cue the montage. Just in case we don't catch any fish.
First walk of shame of the day.
Just waiting. Always waiting on Ethan.
Always waiting.
Permission to come aboard.
Permission to come aboard, sir.
Today we brought Captain Jack Sparrow. Pack Sparrow.
Pack Sparrow.
So yeah, you cook? You like to cook at the station?
Yep.
Yeah?
Cook all the time.
You cook on a Blackstone?
Is there any other cooking device?
Well,
See?
he knows.
See?
He knows. Well,
You know
so
what the
it's a-
favorite at the station is?
What?
Chimichurri quesadilla.
Oh, dang.
Bro.
Heck yeah.
That was
That
you
was
too.
yours.
That was yours.
That was
100%.
All right, dude. So we've been puttering along for quite some time now.
Little adult zone.
Can we punch it?
Yep.
Engage.
Engage.
All right, dude. So you said that we have to like come out and catch our own bait.
Yeah.
Why don't we buy bait?
Because it costs money, and if you fish a lot, it's just it kind of adds up.
Okay, cool. Well, that makes sense then.
Yeah.
So we're at like an old pier, and kind of walk me through the process, and just any small fish, or
So today we're gonna be going for greenbacks, but we'll also catch threadfins and hopefully some pinfish. So pretty much all these bait fish like structure. So we go into this bridge
Oh.
right here.
so all these beams.
Yeah, all these beams, it's all structured. They like to hide and all that kind of stuff right in here. So, oh, I forgot my rods. Hold on. Yeah, go ahead and take that down.
Nothing to see.
Nothing to say, huh? And take two.
Yeah,
we're back.
It's good. All right, so
Don't
go
worry.
ahead. You want to try to?
No, that's all gonna be in. That was gold.
You can see on the depth finder there's not a lot right now, so you
Okay.
want to look for a huge bait hole.
And then we net them.
I'm gonna let you do that.
Sweet. All right, me?
Go.
Oh,
You can try.
nah, dude. Okay, so we're in a good position because
Yeah,
there's
so
birds flying
there's
around
birds,
all
correct.
around us. So let's get some bait.
So when you look out in the water, you can see the ripples. That's all bait. They're everywhere. You can see them through the water.
Holy cow.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in
Bro!
the basket. That one.
Okay. All right.
That's called bait.
Ethan, would you
All right, and that's good.
would you
So the
eat one
rest
of
of
these?
it?
Yeah.
You'd eat one of these?
Sure, for $5.
I'll give you $5. You prefer a dead or a live one?
Probably live.
$5. All right, here we go.
What?
No,
Don't do this.
Whole thing or just half?
bite it.
No, don't.
Bite. Oh my God! Oh, God.
Show me.
Open up. You're like Gollum.
So juicy.
Oh.
Way too much bones.
All right, so we're gonna maintain Star Trek.
Okay,
Another
cool.
one. Engage.
Engage.
What we're looking at here is my safety spot. Just in case we don't catch fish later, we'll probably catch fish here. But essentially, you see the rocks out on the island?
Yeah.
They're gonna extend it out, and there's snapper, sheep's head, could be some flounder, stuff like that. And so hopefully we'll catch some fish here.
Tips of these are a little jagged.
You
from
guys know-
rubbing on the bridge.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
you guys know how to fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, sorry, I don't want to speak for CJ.
I've fished.
You fish? So you know how to cast and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not the island. This is a island.
This is my island.
You mean Ireland? Yeah, it's mine.
And we'll ring the bell when we catch something.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's the fish bell.
the fish bell.
You know, they say it's called fishing, not catching. CJ taught us that.
This is good.
Good. That is good.
Yeah, this is kind of like our spot to get sea legs and might catch a few fish.
But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
Oh, and I'm falling.
Woo! That could have been bad.
You son of a gun. You got one. I mean, it's not one that we can keep or use or do anything with. And it's
So the funny
dangerous,
thing
but,
is,
you know, whatever.
some people actually eat these.
Isn't
They
it
call them
dangerous?
the drumsticks of the sea.
Way to go, Nate. I'm gonna ring it in your honor. Crappy.
For Action News, I'm Nicole Taylor, reporting live.
That's the one. Just watch. That's the one.
Guess it wasn't the one.
That wasn't the one, dude. But this next one's the one. Yeah, this is the one, eh? Watch and learn.
Watch and learn.
This is the one. See that one? You see that one?
Was it the one?
That's the one.
Yep. Well, we all right?
Yeah, we're good.
I felt something and it was you.
It was-
Jeez,
go.
come on, man.
Beauty?
Just don't
All right.
Yeah. So?
Yeah, so? Yeah,
Am I right? Am I right, Lord?
This is stupid fish.
It's mangrove snapper. Delicious.
Yes.
You wanna hold?
I guess.
So.
Whoa! Did you lose it?
No.
it's close.
Oh, man.
11 inches, so he is a keeper snapper.
Hello, little one.
Right. Dang, son!
What do you got here, Cap?
That's a snook.
We got a snook.
So you cannot eat these right now. They're out of season, but they're a lot of fun to catch.
Yeah, he was tough.
Bro, that
Yeah.
was cool, man. Good job.
Yep.
I hate you.
I need to go to my quiet place.
Boom. How's that feel?
I mean, come on!
Come on!
Everybody wears sandals on a boat. You don't wear tennis shoes on a boat.
Nice one, Seat.
Aww.
And Nate.
Oh.
Okay. My bait was trying to get away from me.
Catch that dolphin.
Like mahi?
Free the mahi mahi.
Free mahi mahi, free mahi mahi.
Come on, Daddy. Come on. Come on, Cletus. Cletus, come on. Yeah, come on, Cletus. Come on. Hey-o. Bro, that's freaking huge, man.
They have to be 24 inches to keep. So this is called a gag grouper.
Beautiful, man.
All right, we're at 22.
So back in the water?
Yeah, we're going back in the water.
Dude.
Can't bait back gag grouper there.
Whoa! All right, there.
Yeah,
I'm doing the bull dance,
Told you.
feeling the flow.
Doing the bull dance, feeling the flow.
All right, let's do this.
We're gonna get it today, boys.
Hey, CJ, grab me a piece of bait.
Yeah, man.
Grab me a good one.
All right, hold on. That's the one.
No.
That's the one.
Well.
Well.
All right, now eat it.
Whoa! Never mind. There we go.
Oh! Oh my gosh, you got that on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, can't take this guy anywhere. Look what you did, you little jerk.
Look what you did, you little jerk.
So we got a few lines in the water captain pack.
Sparrow.
Still proud of it. So he is taking care of us. So while that is happening, I want to get some shrimp ceviche cruising because it's going to take between an hour and a half to 2 hours in the marinade. CJ is overwhelmed.
Starving.
It's really, really simple. Basically, we have some fresh shrimp. We're going to cut that into nice bite-sized pieces, probably each shrimp into thirds. We basically want small enough pieces to go on our baguette.
I like having bigger pieces, but whatever.
In your shrimp.
On my baguette.
So we're gonna put that into a bowl. We're also gonna add a few other fun ingredients. I've got some avocado, nice and diced. I've got some beautiful red tomato. I'm also gonna add just a touch of minced garlic. It's kind of a must, you gotta have it. Now the red onion's a little bit specific. I want to mince this up really, really tiny because I don't want the flavor of the red onion to overpower everything else. I'm sure CJ can agree.
I agree completely.
You wanna taste the shrimp.
The palate needs to dance with the shrimp.
Then we're gonna add a bit of jalapeno. I'm also gonna mince this up really, really tiny because we don't want a massive punch of heat. We're gonna chop in some cilantro. Now we get to the fun part. Now a ceviche, it technically is denatured proteins as heat would do when you're cooking something. You all right?
Just need a little sip.
So what happens is the citric acid is going to denature the protein, so you will have the feeling, the taste, and the texture of cooked fish, or cooked shrimp in this case, but it's not technically cooked. It's ceviche.
It's raw.
It's cooked.
It's raw.
The proteins are
juice.
denatured, as they should be. Now we're gonna add grapefruit juice and lime juice to achieve this. So basically just squeeze all of that in there. The last little bit, I wanna add a touch of olive oil and some of our street taco seasoning. Mix that all together, pop it in the cooler, and all we need is about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we're done. Then we can eat.
Can we eat?
Well, I mean, we can eat the ceviche. That's just the appetizer for the day.
Will eat.
You won't even try it.
I'm not eating raw shrimp.
Will you use it for bait?
Yes.
And then will you eat the fish you catch with the ceviche?
You got me there. I don't know. I'm gonna make sure that my stomach is really full when it comes time to eat.
I can actually
Anything.
hear you getting fatter.
Ugh, I can actually hear you getting fatter.
I know what you're thinking. We're in a different spot. You're not wrong. That wasn't the spot over there. So we decided to move down the road or the waterway a bit, but this is 100% the spot. We're at the world famous legendary Skyway Bridge in the Tampa, St. Pete, Florida area.
Over debris.
Over-
It's a lovely accent.
That's a lovely accent you have.
Wait,
Wait.
this is the spot.
Found it?
This is the spot. We're good.
He found it. He found it. All right, so CJ's not having much luck. We're using some of that leftover shrimp. I have an idea. It's a secret weapon. I'm gonna take some of our ceviche, which has only been here for about a half an hour. You can already see the color starting to change on the shrimp. I think the lime juice is really gonna bring him in. Secret weapon.
No cheating over there. Get like a cheat code for fishing.
Up, down, left, right, left, A. BA,
BA
start.
select start. What game and what do you get with it?
Contra, and you get unlimited
99
lives? 99.
lives.
I had to have lost it.
I got you. Yeah, I got it for him.
They're biting on this, which, oh. Right. No. No. Oh, oh. There we go.
Oh, yo, I thought you were joking. The edible.
Oh, dude, he is moving. Oh my gosh, like that. He is freaking A moving.
Oh, dolphin took it.
You're
Oh,
kidding
really?
me.
Yep, I'm not kidding.
I got a dolphin?
Soul of a bottlenose dolphin.
You think I've got a dolphin?
So you had a snapper, but the dolphin took it.
Okay, so what should I do? It's just going.
What
It
do I
is
do?
literally going. I think this is better than the puffer fish.
Yeah, dolphin. It was so big.
Exo facto is basically Jaws. In fact, we're gonna need a bigger boat.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
This is the one. The perfect cast.
The perfect cast.
Finally, don't
Bring
you
all the
dare
way.
be a
Hurry up.
dolphin.
Dolphins are around.
Dude, tell me it's still on. Oh, somebody got a perch.
Too small. Way too small.
My small grown. Round 2.
A little bigger.
All right, my little friend. Go tell the others. You tell them I'm coming. And
Hell's coming with me, you hear?
oh.
Wow, coming in clutch.
All right, Ethan, $20.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Throw that back.
Find a pothole in the ocean, bro?
What's wrong with your ship?
Apparently we're in a shallow spot.
Oh, I think we're stuck. When can we get underway? We're stuck here.
It's weird. Not,